guys, and welcome back to a brand new video. Today I need to tackle this mess that is my wardrobe right now. So I feel like over the last few weeks I haven't really been putting things back into the proper places. It's not color coordinated at all. It's not organized in any way, shape or form. So I really want to just completely organize this again. I've got a lot of things that I need to hang up and put away. So I thought I would take you with me and kind of show you how I organize my wardrobe just to look a little bit nicer and more inviting. So when I open my wardrobe, I just feel a little bit more inspired to get dressed and I feel good about what's in there. So that is the plan today. Join me, won't you? Okay, so the one part of my wardrobe that has stayed relatively tidy is this jeans and jumpers drawer. Maybe because I actually have some sort of organization going on in here, so it works. But the rest of my wardrobe, not so much. Anyway, I'm just going to tidy away the jumpers and jeans that I have out, pop them back in, and then we can tackle the hanging things later. So I actually just have one jumper to put away. And I'm going to do this, kind of organizing early. I will be kind of, how many times can I kick? Can't even talk at all. I will be introducing some new spring pieces soon from my spring summer suitcase, but I just kind of want to have a tidy wardrobe beforehand so that when I do bring out these spring pieces, it's just a bit more inviting for them. So I just filmed another video recreating outfits from Instagram, which is why there is so much stuff now on like the floor and the bed and all around me to go back in here. I'm really sorry about all that drilling outside. It's like I talk through it and then I don't realise and it won't stop anyway. So a pair of jeans I styled up in that video were my white denims, but I don't know if I'm ready to bring them back out yet until like more summertime. I just don't need them. I'm not wearing my denim a ton because obviously I'm working from home and I'm lounging around and denim isn't always the comfiest option, so I think I'll pop these back into my spring suitcase for now. I also took one of my fiance's t-shirts for my video, so I need to pop that back. He Marie Kondos all of his t-shirts. We watched that tidying up documentary together and he was just completely sold. So I'm gonna attempt to Marie Kondo this. Okay, not bad. I mean, probably could be less creased, but I'll never know it was me. Like, let me just show you. Look at these organized t-shirts. Like, I wish I was that organized. So, this is my jeans and jumpers shelf that, yeah, was pretty organized actually. And I think they're really good sizes for just filling out this drawer. And I definitely think this is the best solution I have found for jeans and jumpers because they deserve to go together. They belong together because that is like my style uniform. Just think, if someone stole all of the clothes that were hanging in my wardrobe and just left this drawer, I'd probably be fine as long as I had some shoes. And yeah, be grand. So yeah, it's a bit of a gap here because I'm wearing another pair of jeans and a jumper. So that's done. This suit, I can't wait to get a little bit more wear out of it when it comes into summer again. It's really nice and lightweight and it's a really nice light colour. I haven't had so much chance to wear it as a full suit yet either, but hopefully soon. Just gonna pop that at the front. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to start organising by colour. I have a few pieces here that I took this out on like Valentine's Day. I was like, oh, I'll wear this, and I didn't. I tried it on but I didn't wear it. I also took this out of my spring wardrobe and I just don't think the colour is going to work yet, but that is what I ended up wearing on Valentine's Day. Pink cardigan instead of a pink slinky dress. This one could go in here nicely. Anything else? Yes. all the black kind of just gets lost at the back. This can come forward a little bit. I don't really wear it that much because it's leather, but you can try. Okay, they're black. They can go back. This is one of my wedding dresses that doesn't need to be here. I tend to put my dressier pieces, like my going out pieces, right at the back of my wardrobe that I can't really see from this side. So you can kind of only see it from Andrew's side of the wardrobe. So I'm just going to hide my dress in between two other dresses and hope that that's enough. Okay, so I'm going to put this away and back into the suitcase. Just because it doesn't really go with the kind of warmer brown tones that are still in my autumn wardrobe. Drilling, so much drilling. This jumper I don't feel like I wore much at all this year. I feel like now it's almost gotten too cold, or too hot. Kind of want to put it away. Free up some hanging space. This might be a bit more, you know, my kind of mesh top. This might be a bit more like summer autumn because it's so thin. And my red polo neck, it's kind of, I just wear this at Christmas really. This navy top, I keep trying to like bring it in and bring it out of my wardrobe. I wore it one night. I don't know, but it's 100% silk and I want to keep it. Okay, so I put that top at the back of my occasion wear section, just so that I'm not seeing it every day and thinking, oh, I never wear that, I really need to. So I don't want to feel bad for not wearing my clothes, especially if it's just not seasonally appropriate. My polo necks I tend to just kind of hang. I would fold them away, but this one in particular gets really creased. So what I do is I usually put a couple on one hanger. Couple that are like similar colours, so this one's fine, and then I just fold them over the hanger like that. It still gets kind of creased, but I mean it's going to be creased anyway. I'll hang it this way. Got my trousers, which are like nearly the exact same colour. That's, I'm just going to stick them here. I just love how nice this looks now. Like this looks, I should have taken a before photo. I took these jeans out as well for the video, and I haven't worn them in so long, but I'm wondering if I have room or if I'll just keep them away till spring and maybe put away some of my skinny jeans then, because I have 5 other pairs of jeans out. That's probably enough. They can stay in the suitcase for a little while. Guys, I really apologise, it's so noisy today. I think that was my washing machine though. These kind of shoes I just store at the bottom of my wardrobe at the moment, and because I don't really have any reason, I don't have any reason to wear nice pretty shoes like this. These are the shoes I'm wearing right now, which I'll put back out by my in my hallway. I just have like a shoe rack, and these are the shoes that I keep on it. Because when it's rainy and, you know, I want a comfy boot and I want to look cool, and when it's dry and I want to look cool. Both options. I also have a couple of pairs of shoes here, you probably saw them. So the way I kind of store these is I just go like front to back and pop them like that. So I have some boots, I have some black boots that I do wear a lot, I just haven't worn them lately because, again, no reason to. A pair of snake print boots that I brought back from Ireland when I was home at Christmas, and COVID tested and all good. I'm really excited to wear these in spring. I think the lighter colour would be nice for spring. And I also brought back my leopard print pair, which I can't wait to wear. I'm gonna wrap this video up, guys, because it's so noisy out there. Let me just show you my after. You can see how nicely coordinated it is. So in here we have, like I said, my boots, my pair of ankle boots, a pair of flat black boots, my brown knee-high boots, and these brown loafers that are relatively new in as well, but haven't had a chance to wear. Got a couple of belts, and then I have this like stripy t-shirt dress that I only just got. I did a swap on New Wardrobe, so I didn't pay for it, so I'm doing a low buy. I got this for summer because I just thought it'd be kind of cute. I have my jumpers and my jeans, all nice and neat. That's my like underwear, socks, bras drawer. Was organised, is not anymore, but that will need to get done. And then this is my really nicely colour coordinated wardrobe. So I've got my beiges and creams, kind of stony colours. Don't have any white at the moment, nothing in my winter wardrobe. Nice check blazer, got my lovely browns. I'm really digging this shade for this at the moment. I've got my polo necks. And it goes a little bit navy, a little bit of grey, and then all of the black back here. And then back here is my occasion wear wardrobe, where all my nice dresses hang, but I don't have to see them. But yeah, I just think this looks really nice. I'm really happy with that. It's my little after shot. I've got a Hoover down the bottom here, a vacuum cleaner. Iron, I mean, we don't have a lot of storage, so this is kind of the tidiest my wardrobe ever will be. Down here is where I popped those nice shoes, and also where I pop some bags. Got a couple of handbags down here as well. No use for them in COVID times. And then this is just, don't even ask. It's hair dryers and hair stuff and all that. But yeah, can't wait to get a slightly bigger apartment and have a nicer wardrobe, because I can only see this section of it. Like half my clothes are black and they're behind here, which is Andrew's section. So this is where all my like occasion wear stuff is seen, in Andrew's side of the wardrobe. It's got some pretty dresses. Engagement night dress. Oh, I love this so much. I can't wait to wear it. It's so sparkly. I have a wedding this year, I might wear it too. Then I have my top, little pink dress. Love this. One of my wedding dresses. It's like the evening dress that I just need to alter to fit. It's just kind of like a second option, just something slinky and easy to wear. And then I have that silk cami dress that you've probably seen a few times. And then this is where like my black pieces start, so all this stuff gets hidden, so I'd really like better wardrobes. But, you know, no complaints. I still just have to tackle this mess that is my spring and summer suitcase. There's a couple of bits of Andrew's in there as well. So I'm just going to pack this all away again. I swear it fit when I opened it out. Put this away and then done. This is the point where I jump in, and I just want to explain a little bit that having a wardrobe that not just has nice pieces in it, but a wardrobe that's organised really, really well, either by colour or by type, so you could have all your jumpers together, skirts together, jeans together. Having a well organised wardrobe is going to make getting dressed so much more enjoyable, and it's going to be a lot less stressful when you're kind of like, oh my god, I have nothing to wear, where is everything, where is that blue jumper, whereas that pink skirt, you're just going to have everything organised and it takes the stress out of it. So once you know what you want to wear, you'll know exactly where it is in your wardrobe. So I'd highly recommend, if you don't already have some kind of system in your wardrobe, definitely get one implemented. Also, if you haven't already heard that I started a podcast, I will leave a link below if you want to go check that out. It's called Well Dressed, and it's all about the wellness idea behind fashion and how we can use fashion as a wellness tool to better our lives and better our moods and our confidence, and basically to just live our best lives as our best selves. And I'm so for that. So if you want to chat more about that, or if you want to hear me chat more about it, also you can chat about it too. You can send me a voice note. I will leave a link to that below. I also have my Conscious Consumers group for our low buy year if you want to be a part of that, if you're trying to cut back your shopping habits or anything like that, and you want to kind of downsize your wardrobe, or you just really need to stop shopping because you've got a little bit of debt to pay off, anything like that. If you really need someone to hold your hand through the next 3 months, 6 months, a year of not shopping and trying to kind of curb that spending habit, I'm your girl. I will do it. I have no problem. I will leave a link to the Conscious Consumers group below as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me for that, or just helped you pass some time. I hope you grabbed a cup of tea at the start because that was a long one. But I'm going to finish up those few bits, and then tomorrow morning when I come to get dressed, it is going to feel so good in there. I'm actually curious to see what outfit I'll pull tomorrow, but I might pop it here, pop a photo on the screen somewhere, because this isn't going up for a little while, it won't be edited, so this will tell you if I've actually made the effort to get myself dressed, just because my wardrobe looks nicer. It looks so good, if I may say so myself. Okay guys, enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you pretty soon.